Welcome everyone. I think we are live. So as you can see here from the market is kind of recovering, and the technology sector, Apple is gaining momentum and going to all-time high again, and Tesla as well have become momentum after a bit of dip. And we can see a bit of red, but the market's kind of recovering before the close. So what's we gonna do right now? Should we bump up right now and buying the dip, or we gonna see another dip for the next week? Because a lot of you ask if the price is going down for a lot of stocks. Some stocks right now I'm just having my eye on is the energy sector, and they're already bumping. Like it's an energy company is still bumping. You see, we have a kind of consolidation, then the price bump, then consolidation, then the price bump again, almost 200%. And we still waiting for another bump right now for SM Energy. There's another one I'm having, like almost 4 stocks I have my eye on. And even the market is down, they are bumping. However, let's go for the other thing. Let's see AMC. And the most heavily talked about, PROG. What else? Let's see, GameStop. And Sandal. And NAKD, it's been a while, like last time we talked about NAKD, so we're gonna talk about NAKD right now. And let's see your question. Hello Sam, hello Chrome, what's up? Hello Goku. Yes, you're getting right to the action, right to the question. And Goku just asked like if I could cover AMC, PROG, Sandal, and CEI. I just already thought about it because it's heavily talked about. We miss CEI, and that's it. Let's go to put CEI in the list. CEI is still fighting, you know, above the $1. You see, this is $1.08. And still holding above the $1. So as I said, the last dip that we did here is really important that we bought back pretty fast. However, we still have kind of a bit of resistance around this ascending line, you see, that we broke from, and that's why the price is still doesn't go over this level of resistance. And as you can look here, we have our exponential average coil down as well. So the momentum is changing around the $1.20. However, last time we tested the $1.19 precisely. That's why the price here go down again. I don't know if you watch right now the live streaming on your phone or on your laptop, because I got a lot of question and a lot of my members said they can't see the number. So I'm trying to zoom in for you to see clearly. And as we said, we got rejected perfectly around the $1.19. That's why we got rejected again, and we have a sell-off again because we hit with the rejection precisely as we said, the $1.19. And we said we want to close above the $1.20. However, unfortunately, we went down. So right now, what we should expect, the price should hold this time above the $1. I can't emphasize more because this is kind of the last hold up or the last fight for CEI in order to overcome the $1.20 and consolidate. Because as I said, the price, if consolidate on this area is good, is mean we're reloading. Okay, let me just take the other heavy stock, which is AMC. So AMC, this is really interesting because we got rejected here, the 33.87, our resistance level, and before it was support. You see, we got rejected perfectly. It was a perfect put option play, you know, or short selling play. You know, It's like you get in around the 33.87 and your stop loss will be like 1% up around the 34, and like 1% 1.25% loss. This is potential of this trade if you took short position on AMC around the 8th of December, and 20% gain. This is crazy good trade, Okay, so from here there's a high potential that we're gonna go around the 21 and 22. Okay, this is kind of the next bump and next jump for AMC, where we could hunt for the price, because here eventually we're gonna see a price jump again, and the resistance, just mark my word right now and just put resistance right now and take your profit around the 28.90 the next time we bounce from the 21. Okay, and the squeeze, if we have another squeeze, it should be the next time if we bounce from the 21 would be the 33.87. This is proven right now. We confirm the resistance. Let me see your question again. Yeah, fuel cell energy. Yeah, we will put it on the list. Wait a second, why you bought AMC at the 32? We said 32 is the resistance. Why you buy? Okay, we're gonna add the fuel cell energy in a bit. Okay. Okay. We're gonna cover all of them in 1 second. Yeah, I know, Chrome. The moment that you buy when the price go up is really volatile, so you get cut. So what I prefer, always don't buy when the price go up, always buy when the price go down around the support, or when we have a confirmation that the price overcome the resistance and confirm is the support. So for PROG as well is kind of going down as well. You see, we have a kind of test before we went down around the $2.68. We don't hold it, and we have a test before the price go down around our line, and the price going down again. So we have kind of a confirm support we should hold to confirm that we not break the $2.14, which is around right now is testing it actually. Is around the $2.40. Okay, the $2.40 should be holding right now. So right now we should hold this kind of support to confirm that we're doing higher lows here, and potentially around the $2.40. In order to confirm that we're doing higher lows, and the price will go again to test the $2.90 where we see the breakout. Because if we break below the $2.40, and this will be a really bad, because we're gonna do double support, and this is a sign of weakness, because the next time we break below it, the price will surge back down around the $1.53. Okay, so be careful from this reaction right now. We're gonna confirm it because right now $2.56. NAKD, let me just check NAKD. Yeah, so NAKD is still going down. So the strongest support right now, because right now is kind of hanging in the middle. The support I can see for NAKD is, as you can look here, the 0.4937. And from there we're gonna see a big buying pressure happening again. For Sandal is as well have kind of like broke this ascending line. You see, the moment we broke, we surged back down. Test right now for the resistance around the $1 0.61. The price going down toward the 0.49 is coming down there. Okay, is coming down there. We already have a test around this level of resistance. We didn't hold even here. This is confirmation that the price will go here potentially, and here we're gonna see a big buying pressure around the 0.4949. Wait a second, let me check fuel cell energy. Yes, wait a second. Don't blame yourself, Chrome. This is it happened to all of us, you know. You get kind of FOMOing because you think the price will explode and you think you missed the price, like the discounted price. And a lot of people go on Reddit and Twitter and see people like they pump the stock and they say, okay, it's time to load, but technically is not time to load because we didn't overcome the resistance. So every time listen to your strategy, listen to yourself, okay? Never be take the bias information from outside like information, because this is kind of distraction, you know. That's why I don't search for a lot of information and talk about inflation and like technical stuff that we can't kind of control, you know. So those kind of thing is even if you think that you think by yourself, or you have a subjunctive thinking kind of way, you kind of have subconsciously biased thinking, because you think like you get you hear a lot of information from Twitter and Reddit, and this affects your judgment. Exactly, Liti. Exactly. Yeah, it's really simple to change the quality. Yeah. Thank you for clearing this up for a lot of people. Okay, METX and GSAT for Elite coming right up. And of course, Goku for Fami, of course, we're gonna cover it right up as well. So, okay, wait a second. I can see from a lot of you, all the stock that's been hunted right now is kind of pharmaceutical or consumer services, or those kind of stocks have a high volatility, you know. Let me just check Fami. You know, like most of the stocks have kind of the same reaction, the same technical level, you know. So for Fami, it's got rejected as well perfectly around the 0.2665. And this is confirmed resistant right now. The price is going down again, so right now we want to confirm as well for this one, doing higher lows and hold this time around the 0.22. okay, this is really important because if we don't hold this time, is kind of The last support is the 0.20, so we don't want to go to do double bottom around the 0.20. This would be big bearish momentum for FAMI. So the last support we should hold and doing higher lows and confirming that at least we have potential to retest the 0.2665 before the end of this year is holding perfectly around the 0.2217. Okay, this is really tight stop here, the 0.2217 above the 0.22. Okay, it should be a bounce for FAMI. Other than that, this will be big bearish sign for FAMI. And yeah, MATX and GSAT has been like heavily talked about this two stocks lately because they bumped big time. Then the volatility just went away. So let me just check MATX and GSAT for our elite hunter. So let me see this one as well. Okay. So the support is kind of really important right now. We already tested and bounced from it. As we said, the 3rd of December, when we went down, you see, we have we didn't stay because a really important support, the $1.21, the price jumped and even gapped around here, which is, let me just calculate, 6th of December, okay? So right now kind of holding the gap and still holding the gap. So the gap is around the $1.27. We want to hold this gap in order to confirm the price will bounce again, and the price to to have GSAT to overcome and have a potential for the price recovery is the $1.56, okay? Because even if we got a jump right now, the next resistance will be the $1.56. If we just hold this level, the $1.27, okay? Not the $1.21, but the $1.27, okay? Really important level for GSAT for the next week. Because right now, we have just 1 hour left. So yeah, if we hold right now, will be a good reaction in order to see next week at least test for the $1.56. MATX, okay, we have still bearish sign because we test the 0.3116, rejected 3 times. So for MATX, the moment that we broke this ascending line, as I said, the 0.51, it was bearish for me. It was a bearish sign and have to get out the moment that we even gapped a bit here. You see, this is your exit strategy, so you don't have to hold this time all the way down. This is how you have a signal for warning sign. You know, you never get in any trade without having a warning sign to get out. Even if the price went out because some news or something we can control, this has happened once or twice, but it doesn't happen every time, okay? This price go from this level, it happen all the time. So the probability is you save a lot of money with a lot of trade. So better safe than sorry, you know? So that's why I always have a strategy. Don't have a wishful thinking that the price will go up. Always be reliant on your strategy, because strategy at least give you confirmation with probability that the price go up or down. If the price go below our support, just get out. You don't have to wishful thinking and you have a stress. So this is what like a trick. So you trade without losing a lot of time and stress and watching the chart 24 hours, you know, just put notification, get in, get out. That's it. Okay, what we have here, we have a question from MSK He said UVXY. Okay, do you think they are worth investing? Okay. Market times, if you could do a quick chart evaluation. Okay, we're gonna discuss it right a bit. Diana asked about the VASF, is a tech stock. We're gonna cover it. Hi, Maitran. Hi, friend. Okay, LGVN, of course, we're gonna cover it because it's high volatile and it's been talked about in Reddit. And Sam, we already talked about fuel cell energy. And Tillery, okay, we're gonna cover it. No problem, Elite. Lord Ali, yes, we already did a quick recap for CEI at the beginning of this video. Any update about ChargePoint? Good question, Nasib, good question. Already did the video an update about the hunting area on Patreon. We're gonna go quick for ChargePoint because I already have buy limit order for ChargePoint. Yes. Hit the like button on the way in so we can change the algorithm and make this video spread as big as possible. So let's hunt for the like button. Just try to snipe it, you know. It looks really good because when you punch it, it turns to blue. Yeah, I really like color blue, you know. Okay, let me just take the first question for MSK. Okay, we're gonna play a game, okay? Whatever stock I share or I cover, okay, for MSK right now, I'm gonna cover your stock. You know what you're gonna do for me? You just share the live streaming to your closest friends, okay? And I will cover your stock. The other one, Diana, I'm gonna cover your stock. Just share the live streaming to the closest friend that you like, because we're gonna make some money for the next week, okay? So let's share this community of hunters. Just everybody share, cover your stock. Gonna share the live streaming with your closest friends and just make our community bigger. Okay, if you like your friends, just share this live streaming because you're gonna share some kind of knowledge that they might make money with you. Okay, let's just cover this one. UVXY. Okay, so we have a question regarding this. This is stock. It's been exploding lately and the price went down. So you know what's happened for this one? Usually those stocks go up, then you see it didn't hold like just one day, just dumped. So I will be extra careful for those kind of stocks. You see this kind of scenario, you see like the price go up, then go down, bump, then go down, bump, then go down. The general trend is downtrending for a lot of time. So I will not consider buying this one, okay? If you want to swing trade it, okay, but not right now because already a lot of people took the profit and went away running, okay? So this one is really bearish. Look, really bearish. Like for this one, if I want to confirm that the price will change, is around the 100. Imagine, like right now it's bearish. Until the 104, I will not get in because this is the turning point for this stock. However, right now it's just bumping and dumping. The price go down. So since like it began in May, the price was 61. Imagine right now 15. So lost almost 4x their valuation. So I'll be extra careful from this one. It's really volatile. I will not suggest to get in right now. However, right now we have kind of support. If you want to trade it, we kind of have a support. If we hold kind of the 14, there's a potential that we're gonna see a test for the 20 again, okay? So this is kind of the last kind of support if we don't want to dip again and see the 10. So kind of wave swing traded on the way down, you know? And the next one, let me check. We have for Diana, the Princess Diana, VASF, okay? Let me check. VASF. I don't know if you write it right. Okay, I think you spell it wrong. Let me go to charge point and Tillery and see what's going on with those two. Okay. Okay. This is kind of bearish right now for TLRY. We didn't hold the ascending line. That's been respected a lot. So right now, the next support that's high potential we're gonna see a bounce is the $6.79. We talked about before, as we said here, if we bounce here, we're gonna see the 15. If we don't, the next price target will be the $6.79. Just put a notification right now for TLRY because the $6.79 will be interesting to hunt. Let me just check again the stock that been kind of squeezing right now. So let me just check. See if a PROG is still the first or not. No, we have Pioneer Power Solution, PPSI. This has been heavily talked about in short squeeze stocks. LGVN the second. We have PTPI the third and AMC the fifth. Oh, this one CNTX was jumped almost 426 in one day. Yeah, this one, it's yesterday we did the video, it jumped almost 100%. Right now is dumping. So yeah, a lot of people got cut in this one. So be careful from those kind of stocks being bumping then dumping. So let me just check it for you. What's happened to CNTX? Because the price didn't hold the price as we predicted. Look how crazy it is. The price jumped here. Wait a second. The 9th. Yeah. The price jumped, then it didn't hold even the support. Right now is having buying pressure around the $5.12 and it's going up a bit right now. So I will be extra careful from this one. The price even pre-market went above the $8, you know, above the $8, around $8. The market opened around this around here, the $7.39. And we jumped down without even hold any support. So right now this is a really bearish right now because we didn't hold the support around the $5.68 and any test around the $5.90 and rejection will take us back again around the $4.49. So this one, yeah, is producers manufacture electrical products. So this is kind of yeah, it was a crazy momentum happening in one day and the price went down big time. The other one is we have this one, PPSI. Okay, for this one as well is crazy volatile. So like around the 9th of December, we have the price went until the 14 and we predicted the price to go until the 15. You see, we did this ascending line lately before and we said that the next jump will be around this technical area where we're gonna see a rejection. We got rejected below it around the 14.39 and the price went down. Okay, we didn't hold this support. It's a bit bearish. Okay, so the price right now will continue to find support around the $7.49 for this one. And yeah, we're gonna cover right now LGVN because it's been heavily requested. Yes, Luis. The elite hunter Luis is here. How's the hunting? Okay, LGVN. Let me see LGVN. Good hunting, Luis. Yes, good hunting on the stock that we did on Patreon. Good hunting. You're learning quickly. You're getting really good. Okay. Maybe we open a brokerage firm, you know, together, you know, in Miami. Or maybe in Dubai, you know. It would be a really good firm for trading. You take the coin and crypto, I will take stocks, you know. This would be good. You'll be covering Shiba and Dodge and leverage trading. I will cover stocks. Let me just see LGVN for because it was heavy requested from you. And okay. Let me just make the chart naked. Perfect. Like this, it look nice. Okay. So right now, if I told you trade this stock, you'll be lost a bit, you know, because we don't know where the support, where the resistance, where the technical area, we're gonna see a rejection. So the first thing before you trade, you have to put at least the support and your resistance, okay? And check the volume, okay? This is kind of the first thing that I see, or a check. Is this the stock is good for me or not? Second, when we do our technical, let me just draw this here. So yeah, this is kind of the price went down from this ascending line, give us a signal that we have kind of selling pressure happening, okay? That's why we didn't overcome the 28, because the 28 right now is the resistance, okay? And we right now in this box that consolidating. So right now for the price for LGVN for another squeeze for the 50 this time or over is the 28.42. And let me just go in a 1 day chart. Yeah, it's the same. So what we want to hold right now is about this area. Let me just boom. And then, yeah. Let me just check this one. Boom. Yeah, perfect. So this is kind of, let me just take this off. Okay. So be extra careful right now, because the support is the last support to hold for LGVN to confirm that we have the squeeze is the 15. As I said, the 15 is the strongest support for LGVN. The squeeze is the 28.42. Simple as that. Yes. Okay, Luis, I'm gonna give you a strategy for ATR and you just relax, okay? You know what? You do one thing for me for ATR. You know what you do? It will be simple. Just notification, the price hit, you get in, okay? This is it. Because right now the price is still consolidating below the resistance. So you don't have to worry about ATR. Don't buy right now. Don't consider ATR right now until we hit the target area for ATR. SYTA now, okay. Perfect hunt on SYTA, in and out to take a profit. perfect question. I like what you think right now. You have the hunter mentality. You just want get in, get out, where the price action for them. This is how we do it. So let's check for Luis right now. SYTA, the price target in, the price exit, the profit, of course. And we check ATR with it pretty quick. So SYTA. So SYT, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So let me check this one pretty quick. Okay, for this one is right now is panic selling. You know what's happening? The 734 is a confirmed rejection. You see, we have three wicks. We have it around the 24th of August. We have the 26th of October, and we have it on December. Okay. We have it on 3 months. Rejection. Big wick is mean a lot of selling pressure. Not just selling pressure, it's put option already put like months ago. So they're hunting here. So it was perfect short opportunity for a lot of short seller. So right now, Luis, look at this one. We didn't hold above the $4. So this one I will be extra careful from, and I will not get in right now. Okay. Is kind of dangerous. For this one is below the $4, and the price, even the volume is kind of let me just check. Yeah, kind of is still high. The volume is still high right now because it's still volatile, and a lot of people got cut around this $7. So that's why the volume is still high. So I'll be extra careful because I would have liked if the price hold above the $4. This is not clean trade, okay? Even if the price go up this time, it will be not a clean trade for me. I don't recommend getting in right now because I will be extra careful right now from this trade. Let me just check. Okay. For this one, yes, I will just put other support here just in case, because we already tested, we almost tested. So just take this, Luis, because the $3.65, this is if we just pass below it, this is confirmation for a sell-off. Confirm sell-off. The perfect scenario is to hold $4. However, this stock is so volatile, so of course it will never respect holding above the $4. Especially if we already jumped 100%. So as you can see here, you have an exit strategy around the $3.65. Any price below, this is a sell-off. Any price hold above, we're gonna see a confirmation or a retest around this level, the $5.62. Let me check ATR. As I said, for ATR, look with me, Luis. This one, as I said, it was perfect test right now around the $5.81. So for ATR, I will not get in right now because we already got rejected. As I said, the Patreon, I said the $5.81. If we close above it, this will confirm this breakout that we did around this ascending line. You see. This one, boom, and we here got rejected. So it's still, there's a chance that we gonna hold above this level around the $4.63 and see a buying pressure happening in order to confirm that we're gonna see a breakout here. So the $5.81, just put notification because this will be a breakout until the $8.16. Yes. You know why, Luis? Because you cut your emotion and you just buy at the level that we talked about and you just took a profit. You don't wishful thinking that the price will go to the moon, you know? Yes, Denise, we talked about CEI in the beginning of the live streaming. So after this live streaming, you can go back and rewatch it. In the beginning, you can see, we talked about AMC, CEI, all of them, okay? Sandal, Naked, we talked about them. No problem, Louise. Let me just check your question. We have okay. Shen said, is it good right now to buy AMC? As I said, AMC got rejected perfectly around the 32, I think around the 32, so not good way to enter right now because we have confirmed the rejection area. The best area to buy right now is around the 21, 22. This will be a nice buying pressure for AMC. And yes, Ali Ismail is here, one of our elite hunter, because he have the green little thing near his name. So yes, green is mean you're 1 month right now with us. Blue is mean this 2 months. Red is more. So yeah, Ionic, yes, of course. We already covered it on Patreon, so we're gonna cover it again here and see what's going on with this one. Okay, so for this one, you see, we have a really nice uptrend going on until the 35. Right now is 18, so we have kind of almost discount 50% down. Okay, so you be tempted right now to buy because you think that the price is discounted almost half the price, but be careful from this kind of reaction. Don't focus on the price that we have before. This is kind of a trick in our psychology, is kind of what happened Black Friday or Christmas. You see like something 100 discount 50%. Oh, you see like the price is cheap, but you didn't consider the value of the market right now for this thing that you're buying. You know, a lot of people get mixed up and get tricked from this kind of behavior. So always don't be tricked from this last price that we have around the 36. Always concerned with the support. For this one, I will buy if the price kind of go around the 14 or the 15. Will be a nice bounce here, because we already have a rejection kind of around the 21.79. This is kind of rejection right now. That's why the price going down. We have double support here around the 17.09. If we don't hold the 17 above this 17, the 14.90 will be the next support where we gonna see a big buying pressure. Even here, yeah, the 17 will be a really nice support. So we have really tight support right now. Two perfect support that will bounce eventually for Ionic. Okay, this one will be a last support actually around the 14.93. This will be the last support if we don't want to go until the 10. So the 14.93 will be a nice buying pressure for Ionic, and we're gonna see a buying pressure for sure for this one. 90% chance that we're gonna see a buying pressure in this box, because this is kind of discounted price, actually discounted price here. Exactly, with Exella. You see what's happened with Exella? It was hitting our resistance precisely. So the price is, Luis went up for Exella. Let me just do an example for you to make it a good learning experience. As we said in our trade on Patreon, we said the first trade that we did together is around the $1.05, and we said will be potential rejection here. That's what happened before the market closed. You see, we have a red candle happened here. Then the next day it gapped up, okay? Even if you buy around this area, we said the $1.30 is kind of the resistance, so you have to sell. That's why it's still rejected right now. We didn't hold above it, the $1.30. We go until the $1.35, of course, because it's volatile. However, we don't have a confirmation. The price didn't go up again. the price went down again. So we're still holding the gap because we have a question regarding Xella, and we said we should hold above the $1.21 to confirm that we're gonna see a break for the $1.30 to go to $1.47. So we can have a protection to hold this gap to confirm that we have the volatility and momentum to go up, which is the $1.21 for Xella. What color? No, you are on Patreon. So the color that you get, this is on the membership on YouTube. So this is kind of one way to, when you go on live streaming, this is the just on YouTube, you know. So the members who sign with me in the YouTube membership, they have this privilege on their name because they sign on my membership on YouTube. Patreon is different thing and different platform than YouTube, okay? But if you you actually you should be like a black belt right now for Luis because you already signed with Patreon like almost 5 months, 6 months ago. So it's been like a while, yeah. We have GPL for Lilith, Alexander, ISIG. We never covered this stock before, ISIG before. This is new, I think. And look interesting. Maybe this will be a good like a stock to cover. By the way, Luis, I have some stock that I have on my watch list. I covered it before. I will do a video particularly for that, which is SM Energy. It look really interesting play. Like energy stock is going up, like even the market going down, energy sector is going up for a while. You see, we have almost 100% for this one. We did the trade before and we said the price is really juicy for this one, 150% up, and it's not penny stock, you know. So from August until now, so it's still bumping up. And the next one is BTU as well in this energy sector, and it's ready to bump as well because we have a nice support for this one. And let me check this one. Yeah, oh man, this one is really juicy. So we're gonna talk about it in Patreon. We're gonna do a video for this on where you enter, when you get out, all the good things. So for this one, okay, for this one I will be extra careful for this one. We already got rejected here, the 35.51. We have potential to go to the 52.81. However, we got rejected. Right now I will be like extremely careful because I think the price going toward this support and around the 15.33. This is kind of the next support that the price will go to see another buying pressure to go over again. Because right now the resistance, the 24.89. Okay, forget about the 35. Right now we have a massive fighting for the short seller around the 24.89. And right now we need to hold the 15 to confirm that we'll go there really soon. Okay. This is the last support to confirm we don't have a sell-off. Just watch out for this one, the 15.30. This is the last like position we should hold for this one. Okay, no wishful thinking. This is it. If we hold, there is a potential that we retest the 24.89 and go to 35 again. Okay, if we don't, we're gonna go lower, and this will be really bad. Okay, I see. Yeah, I can wait. Always ready, Elite. I'm ready when you are ready. Let me just take Luis stock AVCT. I know, Luis, this one is bumped like crazy lately. And we take elite GPL, of course. Shukran Habibi. Yes, Alexander. You speak Arabic. You know what? You don't have, you have to say Habibi, you know, for this is kind of in different Arabic countries, you know, because Habibi is not good to say it, you know, it's kind of like in English, it's kind of sentiment, you know, you don't have to go say it to your friend, you know, it's kind of weird, you know. Yes, Alexander, join the hunter tribe. Let's hunt. So let me just check something. And yeah, AVCT as Luis demanded. And we go for the other one is GBL from Elite. And let's check them out. And what's going on? Oh man, you know what? This one, Luis, man, this one I'm waiting for it to go back a bit here, okay? Around the $1.87 will be a nice catch for this one. Nice catch, you know? Because right now it started to reverse. It started to bump, okay? And any price hold above the $1.54. I'm just saying. Any price hold above the $1.54. Just mark this price up. The price will go first around the $4.80. And here you just take a profit. You 50%. You have to take at least 50% of your position. Take it here. Okay. The next one, let it run until the 8. Okay. Almost double the price. So here you be safe because you already took your profit around the $4.88. However, right now we have a bit of rejection and resistance coming up because we have our exponential average. So this is normal that we have a spike for the price and rejection. You see a big rejection from the $3 until the $2.48. So this is normal and still holding. Okay, so this is kind of good. And let me just check. Kind of we have another support forming right now, which is here. Above the $2, which is the $2.16. So this one, will be another hunt. Yeah, if we hold here, will confirm that we're gonna go to $4.88. This would be a really nice juicy trade. The next one we have GPL and GBL. Nice hold for this. Okay, for this one is crazy good. Okay, because we holding kind of the last support, the 0.23. Any price hold this level would be nice. Okay, this is perfect. And to have the test the gap at least around this area, which is the 0.34. Let me just check how much we could gain from this one. Yeah, it's kind of juicy, this one as well. Yeah, almost 40%. And how much we could potentially lose is 10%. Yeah, 10% to 40% is kind of nice, okay? Because any price go below here, we have potential that the price will keep going down and down and down. You don't want to see this happening, you know? So any price holding above the 0.23, nice. And the profit, you would be around this gap, around the 0.36 to 35 here, okay? You take your profit. Welcome MSK, the new hunters. Okay. So you have the green mark right now. So I know one of our hunter who have the mark. So I could actually reply on your requests first. Of course, hunters come first. Okay. So MSK right now is in the tribe right now, and I can see his name in the green. So he's new right now, is the first month for him because it's green. The next, when he will become 2 months, will be blue, and 3 months or 4 months will be red, and etc. So I will know who's the oldest and who actually one of the elite hunters. So I could actually give you some special kind of treatment, you know. Okay. So you'll be like the commander, you know, the commander of the tribe, you know. It's not you're just a soldier, but you'll be like a commander of a big a military kind of thing. So, okay. No problem, Elite. Hello, hola, April. You can see April is kind of all the hunters because have a blue sign here. Hola, Jesus. So we have kind of thing going on for CEI and METX is running up right now. Yes, MSK, of course, Patreon is different on membership because membership is considering on the live streaming, so you have more privilege to cover your stock live. And then Patreon is you can have one-on-one with me to discuss your portfolio or daily requests for stocks. So you can go to Patreon and see like what level you want, you know, so what tire you want, so it depends on you. Okay, so yeah, this is different. If you have any question, you can send me regarding Patreon or Discord or YouTube membership. You can send me an email on trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com and I'll answer all your question. Okay. And okay, there's something happening for CEI and MTX. People said is running kind of going up right now. Yes, we have CEI is moving. CEI is moving. You know why? Because it's the last hour. It's the last hour, the power hour. You know what's mean the power hour? Is everything is will power up right now in the last power hour. Everybody buying before the market close right now. Yes, METX is bumping. What else is bumping? Let's see AMC. Let's see AMC if it's bumping as well because the market almost closed. Let me see. No, AMC is not bumping. It's still going down near the last support or the last dip around 25. So yeah, AMC not bumping. Let me check GME if it's bumping for the last hour. GME no. So yeah, we have MATX is bumping and CEI is bumping. So let's go to CEI and see closely what's going on. As we said, we want to confirm to hold doing higher lows and never close up below the $1. So this is good. Right now we want to just overcome this ascending line and close above the $1.20 to confirm that there's a potential that we break the $1.38 next week. And MATX is kind of testing the resistance. It's about to. The 0.31, a really important resistance right now. You see? This it. We have 3 tests or 4 tests and rejection. So the next time MTX close above this line, this is will happen like a reversal and the price will jump again to test this level, the 0.42 again. This is really important. We're gonna see it the next week. Hopefully by the market close, we're gonna see the 0.31. This is will be perfect number. The 0.3156, you know, perfect number if we close around it this hour, you know. Let me check what's going on with you guys. Of course, MSK, of course, TNXB. I'm wondering if I will be, if it will be a good entry point right now. Okay, let me just check for you which the entry point is good. Okay. You know, it's tricky, you know, because sometimes when you see the price going down, you think the price is good at the moment, but it is not. Uh-huh. You know what? We have even a question before from the price. Do you think now this is a good price to enter? We have the same question before on Patreon. So I will just give you an advice right now, because right now the price is kind of like going past the last support or the last bottom that we did around the 0.39 and going down around the 0.38. So I'll be clear from TNXP right now, okay? It's kind of dangerous. The price to buy again and would be safest is the 0.50. Right now is not good. We might see the price go up by Monday, of course, because a lot of people will buy because it's discounted price. The price will go again and get rejected again below the 0.50 and then go down again. I don't want to see this, you know. I want to buy when the price start to reverse and have a lot of volatility and liquidity. This is where you make money and not just consolidating and barcoding like this and this. I don't want to make money. This is not making money. It's like 1%, 2%. Not good. So the price close above the 0.50 will be the ignition for us to get in again and safest, okay? Then going down and down and down and down is not healthy and it's not good and stressful, you know. Thank you, Paula. Thank you, Paula. Thank you, Elite. Yes, share, guys. Share, everybody. If you have some knowledge or did good trade, share it with your friend, because if you make money, let's see your friend make money. Okay, we have some question. Hopefully that was answer your question. And I don't know, MSK. Pharma, good question, because with the new variant of like virus, the vaccine doesn't do any effect, you know. So right now there's a race for the new vaccine, for the new variant of the virus, because the virus is kind of doesn't have effect with the new vaccine. So you have to have another vaccination, another vaccine have to be produced. That's why the price go down. However, this is a good a potential to make money right now for Moderna, because Moderna is going toward a nice support, juicy support. Because if the virus is still going on and the price is still going down, this is a potential to make money for Moderna, because will be really interesting to see the price go here, because I will jump on this one as well, which is around the $186. Will be a nice juicy support for Moderna as well. Okay, will be nice support right now, because we jumped until the 234 and see what's going on. Big buying pressure, big candle happening right now, because a lot of people see it as an opportunity, okay, in kind of in the mid of coronavirus and the new variant, and the new vaccine will be released for here. Even in France there is a new 3-shot right now, so there's a good potential for the price go up again. However, right now we'll be extra careful and we'll not buy, because right now we have a resistance around the 285, as we have here the 349 got rejected. That's why the price surged down. You see, you don't have to buy around the resistance. You see, price went down 30%. So right now I don't want to see this happening and the price go down again from the 285 and go back 30% again. So I'll be extra careful right now. The price go here between the 200 and the 190, 186 would be nice entry point for me as well. Here, perfect buying pressure here between the 220 and 190. You can average down on this area, okay? This will be nice, and you just let it go. For this one, it would be a nice trade. Hopefully was this informative. I already talked about it. Yes, then KMU. What you mean, MCK? I don't understand. There, please. I think when you say there, I thought like you want to dare me on something, Luis. It's kind of confusing with the name of stocks right now. Okay, Luis, double top for this one around the $2.46. And if we hold right now around this level of support, the $1.79 will be interesting, okay? Really interesting for this one. This one is good. So if we hold this time above the $1.79, Luis, this one will jump again and explode from the 246, okay? This one will be a really nice trade until the $3 or around the $3. For this one will be nice trade for this one. Let me just calculate it. Yeah, almost 48%. So yeah, this one, it look juicy, Luis. It look really juicy to me. So right now is doing ascending line, bumping, confirming for explosion here. Got rejected around the $2. However, we're still holding this support, the $1.79. So right now, if we hold, right now is a really nice trade, okay? However, the stop loss will be around the $1.79 just in case. You could actually have this one until here, and then the $1.59. This is the last support to confirm we go until the $3. So we have a margin of error between the $1.79 and the $1.59. Okay, this is it for this price to jump up. However, if we hold above the $1.80, this is confirmation, 90% chance that we're gonna see explosion from the $2.46 and go to the $3 this time. Yes, this one look juicy. Okay, let me check my energy stocks. Yes, SM Energy. Wow. So SM Energy is testing our resistance at 33.23. We tested today around an open of the market. You see, we test this resistance, perfect resistance here, got rejected, the price went down, however holding above this exponential average. Nice, the price is kind of gonna squeeze. If we just hold this support, get past this resistance, voila, the price will jump where? The 40, this time will be the 40. Yes, 20% up. So I will be extra careful. Right now I could actually have a trade. However, the squeeze will be 2% on 20% up, or 40%. Let me check. Yeah, 30%, yeah, on 2%. This is a really good trade, okay? Because we already bounced from this support around the 26. We just want to confirm that we have to close above here to confirm the breakout and explosion for SM Energy. Because SM Energy is bombing a lot. Down market. Yes, we got a down market here a bit in November. However, we recovered pretty quickly and still near the next explosion for this one. Okay. Robo, we already talked about NAKD. We already talked about it. Let me just check. Exactly, Luis. Sunday, 3 p.m. Miami time, and at the same time, okay? Send me a message before if you have like time before. We can actually do it even before, as we said before. No problem, Luis. Have a nice weekend. Okay. Let me check something. Let me check STCN. Okay, this one we have kind of support around this, the $1.54. The next price test for this one will be pretty clear around this area, around the $1.70.97. So for this one, I don't like, because the average volume right now is 50K. This is really small, because if you got with high quantity, you'll be left with hours to see your trade trigger. So I don't recommend buying this one if you want to buy over 10K, okay, shares of this one. So it take you a lot of time to get in and get out. So that's why I don't like to trade the stock to have average volume below the 500K, you know. The more the better, you know. It's like 1 million, 2 million would be even better. Liquidity is the king in stock market. Party City. So Julia said, can you check Party City? Okay, this is a really funny name for a stock. Let me check it, because we never talk about this before. Party City. Oh man. Okay. Party City hold. Okay, this is crazy. There is a stock is called Party. Okay. I think this stock is having a big party. You see, it is a big swinging stock. Okay, is the name is the same as the chart, you know. So for this, Julia, we have $5.24 the support. Right now we getting rejected as we speak around our exponential average, a big bearish sign, and again here we have a wick, kind of a wick, at the same time a gap. Again bearish sign. So right now for this one, the last support that we should hold, and this will be the safety net for us if you already want to buy. Okay, your exit should be around the $5 or the $4.98. This is exit strategy. Run away, because the price could go like as low as the $3.38. Okay. And if we hold this time above this level, the price could go again and test around the $8.25. Okay, this is potential price test pretty soon around the $8.25 massive resistant area. If you bought around this area right now near the support, which is the $5.24. Hopefully that was informative, Julia. Okay, we already covered it, but we just cover it again for who's Robo Richard. Yeah, he said naked, and please naked, please naked. Okay, so naked, look with me, Robo. We gonna go near the support, the 0.49 is eventually we gonna go. We have to. This is a really important level to test, which is around the 0.49, and potentially we're gonna go around this area. Okay. The 46.81 mark this price up. You can average down around this area, the 46.70 and the 49. This is it. Here we're gonna see a big wick. If the price go here, we're gonna see a wick. The price doesn't hold here. It should be a wick, and the price go up again to close above the 49. This is the kind of reaction to see the naked next week. This is it for naked. Wow, I didn't know that. Huge chain of party supply stores in US. Wow. Aha. Nice, nice. No problem, Julia. And thank you for give us this information. Yes, as I said, really nice support right now. It look really interesting stock. Elite, when a stock nobody knows about is not a good stock to trade because there's no liquidity, okay? This is kind of one-on-one. The stock should be well known, like Trump stock, you know? Everybody knows about it. You see the price jump almost 1000%. So just check it for you pretty quick to see anything interesting about it. Okay, for this one, yeah, the volume is 300. Okay, so 0.35, the price is going up. We have the IBOs here around the 0.27, holding above the 0.31. So yeah, this is kind of psychology in one-on-one. This is one is really simple because if we hold the 0.31 above the 0.31, the price will go break the 0.40, and we might see even the $1 for this one. However, we need to confirm that we don't go over below this. Okay, Elite? The 0.21 is the safety net for you in order to not go below the IBO price, okay? If we hold that the price, we're gonna overcome the 0.40 and go to 0.50 even, okay? So this one will be really interesting. No, you learn, you live and learn. Okay, Luis, you still here, Luis? I thought like you gone already. RDX already put it on my watch list. I watched it lately, but it's getting rejected a lot. Look, Luis. You see, the price is got rejected and went until the $1.44. It was here before, okay? It was here, the $1.60. I was watching this one around the $1.60 here. So I have the price kind of triggered or weakness. The price went below the $1.44. So for this one, it's kind of, let me just do this and take this off. And yeah, it's perfect bounce right now from our ascending line. Yeah, it's perfect. So right now it's still holding kind of ascending line and holding the momentum, and we have a green candle forming right now, the last green candle holding above here. So for this one to go to the $2, okay, to see the $2, we want to hold this last support. So any price holding right now is perfect. Any price not holding, go here, will be a sign of weakness. Okay, simple as that, because the support, the strong support is the $1.24, but I don't want to go to the $1.24, but I want to hold here, because if we hold here will be a big signal that the price will squeeze sooner to $2. The target will be the $2 next time, $2.09. If we just hold this ascending line right now, because if we not, we're gonna go to the $1.24, which is the last support for ARDX. Okay. Thank you, Devin. Thank you. Really appreciate your thoughtful compliment. Thank you. Mhm. So we have a lot of requests from you guys. Let me check this one. And DNN. We have many requests, so we could cover it all of them in once. So if I don't cover your stock, you can join us on the Hunter Tribe and Patreon, and we can cover it for you because we have many stock right now. That's why we did the Patreon, just to cover the requested stock, and we do it daily, okay? Every time pre-market. And if you want more and one-on-one meeting with me, discuss your portfolio and build a strategy for you, you can find it over there as well. If you heavily not trading but heavily using Discord, we have Discord as well for you. Everything in the comment section below, okay? So let me just check those two stocks. You know, there's a thing. Whenever right now I do technical analysis, is kind of use my decision making energy, you know. The more I use do technical analysis for stock, the more my energy of decision making will diminish. So I'm trying to not over use my energy for a lot of stocks, because we have to focus on a bit of little stock to get the opportunity. So again, this is a good advice. So for new trader, they focus on 20 stock in a day. And you guess what? They miss all the opportunity, because 20, you can manage them all. You have to focus on one or two, and you just have a fixed strategy on them. You're gonna make money. But if you have a 20, 30, you be confused, distracted, and paranoid, because one of them will be sell off and go down. You can manage it because you jump from this one, you cut the losses from the other one, so you put the money on this one, and the other one jump, so you sell this one, so you go on the other one. It's kind of chaos, you know. So for PAVM, so for this one, is kind of going for the last support right now, is testing it before. So I will be, this one is kind of really volatile right now after this jump down from the $10, almost the $10 right now, the 3. So we almost went 80% down. So I'll be extra careful from this one. The next jump, if we jumped from this support around the $3, because this is the last support to jump from, we're gonna see a test again around this technical area, which will be here, the $3.61, because right now we already tested and got rejected. See, almost 15%, so it's kind of really risky right now for this one. And because we might even go below the $3 next week if we don't hold this support around the $3, above the $3. And we might see the price go until the $2.63. So this one I would be extra careful or clear from it, because if we want to get in again, will be the safest is around the $3.61 at least, to confirm the reversal. Okay, right now not that much. Okay. The next one is, this one is better, DNN. We have bounced perfect from $1.31. The price go down again. However, right now still the support to hold is the $1.30, because we have already bounced from this exponential average 3 times and holding it. So this is good. Holding this area, will take us again around the $1.80, which will be the squeeze area for this time. So yeah, holding this level will be perfect, because if we don't hold, we're gonna see the price test around this area, the $1 again, will be tested again around the $1 again, where we gonna see the price hold here. above the 0.85 if we don't hold the $1.31. Okay, this is the last support if we don't want to go on this area of support. Hopefully that was informative, and as I said, every Friday live streaming, and if you want to cover your stock, just check the Patreon in comment section below. And as I said, always have a strategy. Don't have many stock to trade in one time. This is a kind of big mistake for a lot of traders. And focus on few stock as possible. Have fixed strategy and act upon them. Have a notification build on in your phone and act. So this is will distract your mind that you let the decision making already be made. So this will be easier for you to take decision. Okay, this is kind of trick that I do for my new trader on Patreon and Discord to treat their psychology. Okay, psychology comes first in trading. However, hopefully you have a nice weekend, and as I said, join us in Patreon and the link comment section below. If you have any question, send me an email regarding, if you have a question regarding Patreon, Discord, and things, how it works, because I know a lot of you doesn't use Patreon or Discord. I can explain more in detail if you send me a message on trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Okay, so see you in the next video. Okay.